Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing our Ipsy and Boxy charm by Ipsy bags and boxes. So if you'd like to see what all I got and what I create, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing okay. Thought I would come back here and do an unboxing with you guys. If you are new here to this channel, my name is Belinda. Welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Let me first tell you about Ipsy. Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription box where you can choose from 3 boxes. We have the Glam Bag, which is $14, and it comes with 4 to 5 deluxe or trial size items. We have the Glam Bag Plus, which is now Boxy Charm by Ipsy, and that one is $30 for 5 full-size items. Then we have the Creator Box or Icon Box, and that comes once every 3 months. And that one is $60, and it is up to 8 full-size items in that one. And I will have a link in the description where you can sign up if you would like to try Ipsy. So, this month is Rewrite the Rules. Wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched mani. This month, march into your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and nature-inspired palette for women owned and founded brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. So that is this month's Ipsy. So for the first bag, we have the Glam Bag. Oh, look at the colors in that. That looks so nice. And it's full. And here is the bag. And it does have the Ipsy. Oh, it has little balls on it. That's so cute. Okay, so in this one, we got Shades by Sean, Life of the Party. And I'll go through and swatch what we're using here. Then we have the Lip Gloss Blissful by Ofra. And then we have the Dazzle Me Get a Grip Makeup Setting Spray. And then we have the Gloss Modern, oh yes, Clean Luxury Radiant Polish for hand and body. Let me tell you something about, I think it was in January when they put that Gloss Modern lotion in my bag, one of the bags. That stuff smells so good, and it's almost $100. This is another Gloss Modern, so I'm very happy to get this. And then we have the Soothing Repair Toning Serum by Dermafirm. Now, we won't use the skincare because I've already got my skincare on. So that was for the Glam Bag. Now we have the Boxy Charm by Ipsy, and this one is $30 a month. So this is the Boxy Charm Rewrite the Rules. Right in this, they're letting us know about the dates of the Drop Shop event, if anybody is interested in that one. So in this one, we got the Girlactic Fruit Super Food Sugar Face Scrub. That sounds so good. So that's another skincare we will be able to use. And then we got, the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. And then we have the Defiance Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. We also got some brushes. This is the brush set. Those are really bright and green. These are really cute. They got 2 little crystals in them. So here's a bronzer brush. And this one, I would assume, is blush or powder. And then we got And I would think this one would be highlighter. So those are cute. I'll probably give those to my granddaughters. And we have a palette. We have the Trailblazer palette by Wonder Beauty. Let's see what this one is. The Life of the Party, Volume 1. And there is that one. Alright, so let's get in to creating a look and using some of these products. So I am going to go in with my Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. And there will be a link down in the description if you'd like to purchase anything from Gerard. Okay, here are the shades. You can't see the white one because it's my skin tone, but here are the shades of the Life of the Party by Shades by Sean. And here are all the colors of the Trailblazer palette. So I'm going to go into this palette right here, and I'm going to just put a little bit on each side of the brush, and we're going to put this up here right above my crease. I don't want it to get too brown. Now I'm going to turn it over where I got that really light shade and just kind of put that at the top. Okay, so there's the first color. I'm going to go into the Shades by Sean into this one. And I'm just going to put it in the outer part of my lid and blend it in by tapping it. Then I'm going to go over here to this palette and I'm going to dip into that color, and that is Lisbeth. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease and put on my liner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I forgot I had a liner, so I put on a brown liner with my eye look. I cut the crease, so we probably won't use the Defiance liner today, and then I put a skin tone liner in my waterline. So I think I want to go into this one first. It's like a brown shimmer. We're going to put that right there at the edge of that cut crease. Okay, now I'm going to go into and we'll put that right here. That one. Now we are going to use the mascara from ABH. I have never tried Anastasia of Beverly Hills mascara, so this will be a first. Here is the component. Very gorgeous. And here is the brush. So we are going to go in with it. Alright, here is one coat. Here is 2 coats to 1 coat. Alright, I'll put after I do the bottom waterline, I will do the rest of the mascara on that one. So here is the mascara. Now we're going to go into this palette, and we're going into this color right here. And I'm taking the Nikki Rose N17 brush to do under my line, bottom waterline. And then I'm going to go into this white color and blend out that bottom shade. I'm going to go into this Tower 28 Magic Hour blush. I went in with the Share lip liner, and I now am going in with the Bare It All Hydro Matte lipstick by Gerard Cosmetics. And then for my highlighter today, since we didn't get one, I think I'm going to go into the Half Magic Light Trap Enter the Glow for my highlighter. And we are going to use this setting spray that they sent. No scent. And now we're going to go in with the gloss. Oh, that has a brown tint to it. It's all spilling out. Here is the color of the lip gloss. It's kind of like a bronzy color. It feels very nice. And then I'm going to go in for the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm going in with the Jaclyn Cosmetics Balm. Okay, so now let's go through and talk about this box. I'm really happy to have this because that Gloss Modern that they had in the bag with the socks, oh my gosh, that is like, whew, it smells so good. That's special times only kind of lotion. It smells so delicious. And this Radiant Polish, let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like citrus. It smells so pretty. So I'm very happy to have that. Cute little setting spray. Can't wait to try this. The first Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. Galactic, I love, that's the eyeliner I'm wearing right now is Galactic. And on the waterline. Then this I will have to use during a skincare one. And this was pretty nice. It made my lip bronzy and pretty. Matches the eyes. And then this little palette, it was okay. It performed okay. I wouldn't have been able to do both palettes without, I wouldn't have been able to do this look without this one. Because there was not enough transitions in this palette. There was no transitions in this palette, and this one worked out great. This one is nice. It's just really not my cup of tea. I will re-gift it to someone that might want it. But these finishes in this are so pretty. I like those. So I don't know if I'll keep it or just re-gift it to someone that can use it. The mascara is nice. I've never tried ABH's mascara, but it turned out to be pretty good. It gave me, my lashes are long. It says it gives you curl too. So, and I didn't get to use this one, but I have tried Defiance Beauty before, and I have a palette by them. Oh, this is a strange shape. Let me see what this looks like. There is the eyeliner. So we will use it next time. And we did get the brushes, which I'm going to give them to my granddaughters, because they always can use brushes, and there's a 3-piece set in these, so I wanted to give those to them. And I like the bag. But yeah, that is the gist of it. That's what we got in our Ipsy and Boxy charm by Ipsy bags and boxes. So let me know down in the comments what was one of the things that I got that you might like, you would have liked. See, would you like to try Ipsy? I do have a link down in the description. You can sign up. You get to choose from 3 different bags, whichever one you want. You can shop within the app. It's a really nice, I like Ipsy. I have always loved Ipsy. But anyway, like I said, Ipsy has been my favorite makeup subscription box. And if you would like to try it, there will be a link down in the description where you can try. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.